I just wanted to make a short video here. I have a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, and I needed to change the swaybar bushings, but they do not sell just the swaybar bushings alone. You have to buy the entire swaybar with the bushings already attached. Dorman makes replacement ones, which I have right here. The only downside is it is a colossal pain in the ass to get these off. So this right here, you can see had to be cut because these are flared, so they're pushed into these bottom pieces right here. So you can't just pry them apart. So I had to cut, pry until I finally got them apart. And then the actual bushings themselves have a piece of metal inside, and these are actually glued to the bar. So you can't just like pull the bushing off. You actually have to cut and bend the metal and then pry underneath it. I have this Ryobi tool with the rigid scraper, which is what I use to get most of the glued on rubber off. It was just such a pain in the ass. So that's probably why I wasn't able to find out how to change it anywhere online, because nobody wants to do it. That fucking sucked. And I only have one side done. About to cut the other side off. This is just the bushing alone. I already pulled the metal piece off. As you can see, a lot of this had to be cut to try and get those stupid pieces off. But the Dorman piece, which I will add the part number in the description, comes with removable bushing. Just pull this off really quick. There you go. Bushing, this top plate, bottom plate, and comes with new nuts there too. So if you do plan on doing this for your 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee, just know it's not going to be a simple 15-minute swap out like every other vehicle known to man. This one's going to be a pain in the ass, and it's going to take a long time. I just finished cleaning off the bar with a wire wheel here, and that finally got the rest of this glued on rubber off of that, so it's finally smooth and ready for the next part. So if you have any questions, just let me know.